Welcome to my YouTube channel, which is Tech More. I am going to share you how to make a BTS logo in Corel Draw 12 graphic. I am going with a rectangular shape, rectangle tool here, and now I am going to use a knife tool here. Knife tool. When you go to shape tool, you click, and second is a knife tool. Now when you click a part, like your knife is like vertical angle like that, click and drag it the area you want to cut and press a button. Go to pick tool and pick your area aside. Now you can delete this part. This part is for your logo. Now I am going to take that and press and drag below what I want and pressing right click. Now this is like one side of my logo is ready. Now I am going to weld it. I am going to weld it. Sorry. Weld it like weld. Here you go in bar and weld. I weld it. Now it is one side of my logo. I am going to fill it with fill tool and interactive fill tool. I am going with the fill tool. I have also gradient. I am using gradient. First of all, let me tell you how to use a pick tool. Pick a black color because they have a black color here, black. You can see that the one side of my logo is ready. I am going to add some gradient like lightish grayish, black and grayish, and like this, gradient like this, like okay, look at this. This is beautiful gradient spread over my shape. Now yeah, I am going to click this and drag this for my other part of logo, similar, yeah, and right click. You can pick this and apart this. There is a BTS logo. Okay, now I'm going with the black, pure black, because I like black. Pure black like that and like that. I am going to group them and dragging there as like that. Size there, I am going to select their size like that. BTS. I am going to increase the text size and the font. Arial font is Army, and increase its size below. Drag it like that and put it like that. Here it is. You can see that my logo is ready with a simple and easy way. You can apply a lot of color. You can also add images. If I next time I will show you how to add your images in your logo. I hope you like my video. Like, share, and subscribe my channel, and leave your comment. That's all. Goodbye.